So I had given my team permission, and all the team still has permission, that if they see something that I could do better, that they are to tell me, right? And to do it at the right time in the right place with the right tone. But I want to know, because I want to get better. Because I don't want a year from now be standing in front of an audience and people say, oh, he's this just like last year. That wouldn't be so good. So I want to get better. So when I was practicing, my team told me that I talk too much. And I said, I don't talk too much. I did the perfect thing that one should never do. I argued with them. I told them they were wrong. They kept telling me. And so eventually I was like finding excuses. Oh, I gotta talk to people. Is this relationship business? And that's how we bond. And if I don't do that, they're all gonna go somewhere else. And they just kept on me. You're talking too much. You're talking too much. So I talked to one of my mentors, and he said, well, here, let's try this. He's a very smart man. He said, talk as much as you want with the patients. Just don't talk about yourself. I said, perfect. I'll do that. That's easy. I'll do that. I'll show these assistants. So I'm not proud to admit this, but when I stopped talking about myself, my interest in talking went down. And so for whatever weird emotional quirk that I have, that I needed to talk about myself, I guess, but it was adding no value to the patient. It was adding no value to the practice. And I could talk to other people outside, but I didn't really need that. It was just a habit that I had gotten into, right? And so that's the rule. Talk all you want, but don't talk about yourself. If the patient asks you about yourself, answer the question briefly and redirect the conversation to the patient and what they like and what, right? So it's all patient focused. That's where the relationship comes with. That's where the value for the patient is.